And news coming in of the protest which is being staged by the BJP workers there. You can see the anger they're spilling onto streets as BJP workers continue to protest, demanding answers from the Aam Aadmi Party with respect to its now rollback liquor policy. So a political storm that has erupted over the now rollback liquor policy of the AAP government in the national capital. Piyush is reporting live from that very location where protests are being staged by the BJP workers. We'll go across to Piyush, but remember a mega face-off that has also erupted. Piyush is there at that very spot. Piyush, over to you. Talk to us about the scenes you are seeing around you, as well as the answers that BJP is seeking from the Aam Aadmi Party.
Well, absolutely right now we can see the pictures coming in from Delhi's Chandni Chowk where Delhi BJP chief along with other BJP leaders are taking out a Padyatra, and this Padyatra is against Manish Sisodia. We can also hear these slogans like Manish Sisodia chor hai, Manish Sisodia ko barkhast karo, Manish Sisodia bhrasht hai. So you can see as to how the top leaders of BJP have gathered here. You can see Adesh Gupta is holding this march which reads Gali Gali mein shor hai, Manish Sisodia. So let me try to get in a word from BJP leader who is here. Sir, क्या मांग के साथ आप लोग यहाँ पे जा रहे हैं?
देखिए, जिस प्रकार से अरविंद केजरीवाल ने दिल्ली की जनता के साथ छल किया है और शराब माफियों के साथ खड़ा होकर दिल्ली के युवाओं को, दिल्ली की महिलाओं को और दिल्ली की जनता को बर्बाद करने का काम किया है और दिल्ली के टैक्स के पैसे को शराब माफियों को देने का काम किया है, उसको लेकर भारतीय जनता पार्टी प्रदेश अध्यक्ष अपने आदेश गुप्ता जी के नेतृत्व पर सड़क पर उतरी हुई है और केजरीवाल को उखाड़ कर फेंकेगी।
So we'll try to get in a word from Adesh Gupta also, who is Delhi BJP chief. He along with other workers of BJP are taking out this protest march. किस मांग के साथ क्या मांग लेके आगे बढ़ रहे हैं? क्या मांग लेके आगे बढ़ रहे हैं?
इनको मनीष सिसोदिया जी जो दिल्ली की जनता को धोखा दे रहे हैं, लूटा है दिल्ली की जनता को, उनको बर्खास्त किया जाए और कानून के तहत कार्रवाई करनी चाहिए उन पर। सबसे पहले तो बर्खास्त करना चाहिए, उनको कोई अधिकार नहीं है अपने पद पर बने रहने का।
See as to how the BJP leaders are demanding that Manish Sisodia should be sacked. You can see CEO BJP workers are here. Sir, लेकिन अरविंद केजरीवाल कह रहे हैं कि आप लोग उनको तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, क्या कहिए आप?
अरविंद केजरीवाल की पार्टी को कोई नहीं तोड़ रहा, उनको सिर्फ जो दिल्ली का घोटाला है वो तोड़ रहा है। वो फंस चुके हैं, दिल्ली की जनता जवाब मांग रही है, ध्यान भटकाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। मनीष सिसोदिया को बर्खास्त करना पड़ेगा, उनको जेल जाना पड़ेगा। जो दिल्ली की जनता का पैसा लूटा है, दिल्ली की जनता सड़कों पर जवाब मांग रही है, जवाब देना पड़ेगा, ध्यान नहीं भटका सकते।
Clearly see the voice coming in of Delhi BJP workers who are now saying that Manish Sisodia will have to answer and he will have to resign because the people of Delhi are now seeking answers from Manish Sisodia from Aam Aadmi Party. Also, we will try to get in a word from these BJP workers, and let me try to first show you the pictures of this massive Padyatra which is being carried out by the BJP workers, BJP leaders in Chandni Chowk area. You can see sea of flags of BJP. A massive support is being enjoyed by BJP right now on the streets of Old Delhi in Chandni Chowk. You can also see as to how the all markets are open here. People have come from different parts of Delhi here, and as busy market is going, as it's the busy market here, BJP workers are now reaching out to people across the city to seek their support, demanding Manish Sisodia's arrest. Let me also get a word from Delhi BJP chief Adesh Gupta. आप सर ये बड़ी पद यात्रा लेके आप लोग निकल रहे हैं, किस मांग के साथ? क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल तो आपके प्रश्नों का जवाब ही नहीं दे रहे।
देखिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल और मनीष सिसोदिया आज तक 7 दिन से ये सवाल मीडिया में, जनता में है कि आखिर शराब नीति इतनी अच्छी थी तो आपने वापस क्यों ली, और अगर वापस ली तो इन प्रश्नों का आप जवाब दीजिए कि आपने उनका कमीशन 2% से 12% क्यों किया, ब्लैक लिस्टेड कंपनियों को ठेके क्यों दिए, रिहायशी कॉलोनियों में ठेके क्यों खुलवाए, नियम के विरुद्ध जाकर उनको 144 करोड़ एक और 30 करोड़ एक वापस किए। तो सवाल उठता है कि जो भ्रष्टाचार के गंभीर आरोप हैं, केजरीवाल उनसे भाग नहीं सकते। आप चाहे कितनी भी डाइवर्ट कर लो, चाहे मुद्दे को भटकाने के लिए आप इधर उधर की बातें करो, आप विधानसभा का सत्र बुला।
मनीष सिसोदिया को चोर बोल रहे हैं, अरविंद केजरीवाल बोल रहे हैं कि वो तो खुशकिस्मत है कि उनको मनीष सिसोदिया जैसा नेता मिला है, वो तो भारत रत्न उनको मिलना चाहिए।
देखिए, हाँ, बहुत अच्छे हैं। इन्होंने, ये दुनिया के सबसे अच्छे शराब मंत्री हैं, क्योंकि इन्होंने अपने मुख्यमंत्री को और आम आदमी पार्टी को हजारों करोड़ रुपए का पैसा दिलाने का शराब माफिया से मिलकर भ्रष्टाचार करने का काम किया। इसलिए केजरीवाल कह रहे हैं हमारे बहुत अच्छे शराब मंत्री हैं ये।
आखिरी प्रश्न में लूंगा सर, शराब के बाद स्कूल में क्लासरूम बनाने को लेकर घोटाला भी सामने आया है, जिसको लेकर एलजी ने अब ये कहा है कि इस पूरे मामले को लेकर जांच होनी चाहिए, उस पर आपकी क्या राय है?
देखिए, ये मुद्दा भी पहले उठाया गया है और जिस तरह इन्होंने स्कूलों को भी नहीं छोड़ा है, एक स्कूल का कमरा बनाने में 33 लाख रुपए खर्चा हुआ, उसके टॉयलेट बनाने में भी इतना ही खर्चा हुआ है, तो निश्चित रूप से एक गंभीर मामला है जिसकी जांच चल रही है। इनके भ्रष्टाचार की एक कहानी अभी और सामने आने वाली है।
Delhi see as to how Delhi BJP workers are right now carrying out this protest march. In fact, it is a Path Yatra. Right behind me, there is a sea of BJP flags, BJP workers who are right now protesting, and this protest is taking place amidst the chants of "Gali Gali mein shor hai, Manish Sisodia chor hai." This Path Yatra is basically taking place in Chandni Chowk area of National Capital, and that's the main market. That's the heart of National Capital, where people from different parts of the city come here every day in large numbers. And today, as it's a weekend, as it's Saturday, we can already expect a huge turnout of people here in this market. And BJP is now taking advantage of that and reaching out to maximum people from across the city and telling them the kind of corruption in which the Aam Aadmi Party government and Aam Aadmi Party leaders are indulged into. Also, let me try to show you the pictures of this market. You can see as to how the people from different places have come here to listen into Adesh Gupta. Right behind me, you can see how massive support is being enjoyed by BJP leaders here in Chandni Chowk market, where this Path Yatra is taking place. Remember that there is a face-off going on between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP for the last many days, where BJP has been seeking answers from Aam Aadmi Party as to why the policy was withdrawn, was taken back by Aam Aadmi Party if it was such a good policy. They're also asking why did they go for proper tendering, when the draft committee had already told to the government not to take back the government shops as far as this business is concerned. Why did they do that? So there are some questions which BJP right now is asking. Earlier also we have seen BJP workers protesting, and right now you can see how they are protesting here on these streets, and they are now demanding answers from the top leadership of Aam Aadmi Party. Let me try to get in a word from more workers by trying to understand their sentiments. Sir, आप लोग लगातार मांग कर रहे हैं मनीष सिसोदिया का इस्तीफा, हो लेकिन इस्तीफा तो हो नहीं रहा, वो तो जगह जगह घूम के एक प्रचार कर रहे हैं आम आदमी पार्टी का, हिमाचल जा रहे हैं, गुजरात जा रहे हैं।
देखिए, अरविंद केजरीवाल भारतीय संविधान के साथ खिलवाड़ कर रहे हैं और अपनी नैतिकता खो चुके हैं। उनका एक मंत्री जेल में है और आज तक उन्होंने इस्तीफा नहीं लिया उससे, भ्रष्टाचार के आरोप में। जिस भ्रष्टाचार को मुद्दा बनाकर अरविंद केजरीवाल सरकार में आए थे, आज वो खुद अपने मंत्रियों को भ्रष्टाचारी होने नहीं बर्खास्त कर रहे हैं। और मनीष सिसोदिया ने जनता के पैसे को शराब व्यापारियों को दिया है और उनको बचाने की कोशिश अरविंद केजरीवाल कर रहे हैं। लेकिन भारतीय जनता पार्टी अपने प्रदेश अध्यक्ष के नेतृत्व में और दिल्ली की जनता अरविंद केजरीवाल को जब तक मनीष सिसोदिया को और सतेंद्र जैन को बर्खास्त नहीं करेंगे, सड़क पर ऐसे ही जन आंदोलन होता रहेगा।
See how BJP continue to demand for the resignation of Manish Sisodia. Remember that massive face-off is going on. BJP always says that Aam Aadmi Party is not responding to the questions those are being asked by BJP. Remember that Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that there is no corruption taken place in excise policy. In fact, Manish Sisodia is the best deputy chief minister, best education minister, best best minister in Aam Aadmi Party government ever. We also remember as to how Aam Aadmi Party, instead of replying to the questions of BJP, it had said that the MLAs of Aam Aadmi Party are being lured by BJP. They are being offered 20 crore per MLA, and if one MLA gets one more MLA with him, then they would get 25 crore. That was the allegation which was made by Aam Aadmi Party, and then there was a meeting also which was called in by Aam Aadmi Party a couple of days back, and when all the MLAs turned up there at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, they called it a failure of Operation Lotus. So once again, Aam Aadmi Party alleged that Operation Lotus is taking place in national capital, but because of the good policies of Arvind Kejriwal and Delhi government, the Operation Lotus got failed as all MLAs turned up at Arvind Kejriwal's residence. But BJP is saying that no such thing has happened. BJP has never lured any Aam Aadmi Party MLA, and BJP is demanding answers from Arvind Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, BJP is saying that when we ask questions from Aam Aadmi Party, it diverts the attention and start asking something else. And today, Delhi BJP chief Adesh Gupta, along with the other top leaders of BJP, are taking out this Padyatra in Delhi, not only in Chandni Chowk, but in different parts of national capital, where massive turnout can be seen at different parts of Delhi, where BJP leaders, top BJP leaders are now taking out Padyatra, demanding the resignation of Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister and also Education Minister Manish Sisodia.
And Piyush, we've seen how in recent past, AAP has been in complete denial mode, has been evasive, ducking those specific questions that are being asked by the BJP leaders. If you can talk to us about these specific questions being asked and how AAP has been, on the other hand, mounting offensive and saying that all of it is an attempt to topple the AAP government in the national capital.
Well, like you rightly mentioned that yes, AAP has been claiming that Manish Sisodia has not done anything. On the other side, BJP has been making serious allegations, demanding answers from Arvind Kejriwal and also Manish Sisodia and other top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party. Let me also try to show you live pictures of this protest, which is right now underway here in national capital in Chandni Chowk. This is being led by Adesh Gupta. You can also see as to how this entire banner reads शराब घोटाला गली गली में चोर है, मनीष सिसोदिया चोर है। मनीष सिसोदिया चोर क्यों है?
क्योंकि दिल्ली की आबकारी नीति में इतना बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार किया गया है, जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं। जो गवर्नमेंट का टैक्स मिलना था, जो एक्साइज का टैक्स मिलना था, जो वैट का टैक्स मिलना था, वो टैक्स 99% और 98% कम कर दिया गया और 100% उस व्यापारियों का फायदा बढ़ाया गया।
आम आदमी पार्टी कह रही है आप तो उनके विधायकों घर को खरीद रहे हैं, तोड़ रहे हैं। आम आदमी पार्टी
झूठ झूठ झूठ, ये सारी चीजें केजरीवाल का स्क्रिप्ट है। केजरीवाल लगातार जनता को भरमाने का काम करता है, झूठ बोलने का काम करता है, उसके तहत उसने झूठ फैलाने का काम कर रहा है।
BJP is now saying that Arvind Kejriwal is doing nothing but spreading lies, and that is why they are here to protest. They continue to chant slogans against Arvind Kejriwal and demanding answers from Aam Aadmi Party-led Delhi government. We'll have to wait and watch for how long this fight will continue, but there is another face-off which has started brewing between Aam Aadmi Party and BJP, and that's on the construction of classrooms in schools. Yesterday, Lieutenant Governor had recommended a detailed probe into that also, and had said that when the report was submitted by CBC, why actions were not taken for the last 2.5 years. So LG yesterday, while expressing his displeasure over non-action over the report which was submitted, also recommended a detailed probe, not only into that entire classroom construction scam, but also into the role of a few leaders of Aam Aadmi Party. Now, today, on the Sharab Ghotala, on the liquor policy, the Delhi BJP is taking out this Padyatra in Chandni Chowk of Delhi, where it is demanding answers from Arvind Kejriwal-led Aam Aadmi Party. But we have seen as to how Arvind Kejriwal has been claiming that no corruption has taken place. In fact, they are also asking BJP if corruption had taken place, then CBI would have found something there at Manish Sisodia's residence. And in rebuttal to that, today Aam Aadmi Party is taking out a protest march there at BJP's headquarters at 12:30. We are learning is that Aam Aadmi Party will be protesting against BJP at Delhi BJP headquarters, asking what CBI has found from Manish Sisodia's residence. So allegations versus counter allegations continue to take place in national capital, and right now Delhi BJP is protesting at 12:30. Aam Aadmi Party will protest against BJP at BJP's headquarters in Delhi.
This encounter protest there by the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Piyush, if you can talk to us more about that big charge that was made by the Aam Aadmi Party, that their MLAs, there is an attempt to poach the MLAs of the Aam Aadmi Party. Any proof to corroborate that big charge that has been made by the Aam Aadmi Party till now?
Well, that's really unfortunate that Aam Aadmi Party, which has been claiming that it has got proof and their MLAs are being lured, Aam Aadmi Party has not been able to furnish even a single proof, not even a single phone call, audio, video, nothing has been shown by Aam Aadmi Party so far. But it has been claiming since beginning that around 40 MLAs, were of Aam Aadmi Party, in fact, were being lured by BJP, but they were not able to submit even a single proof. In fact, they were saying that every MLA was being offered rupees 20 crore. Also, they added that if one MLA of Aam Aadmi Party gets a few more MLAs with him, then he or she would be given more than 25 crore. That was being done by BJP, and that was the allegation which was being leveled by Aam Aadmi Party on BJP. But no proof has so far been submitted. Let me try to understand from Delhi BJP leaders themselves on this big allegation, and no such proof has been submitted by Aam Aadmi Party leaders because BJP has been claiming that they do not have any proof. सर, एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण सवाल है. आम आदमी पार्टी कहती रही कि आप उनके विधायकों को तोड़ रहे हैं, पैसा दे रहे हैं, लेकिन अब तक कोई प्रूफ सामने नहीं, कोई प्रूफ निकल के सामने नहीं आया कि आप खरीद रहे हो.
भाई, इससे बड़ा प्रूफ क्या होगा कि कमीशन 2% था. जो एक्साइज पॉलिसी को बनाने वाली कमेटी थी, उसने का आधा % L1 होना चाहिए.
मेरा सवाल ये है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल कहते रहे कि आप उनके विधायकों को तोड़ रहे हैं, पैसा दे रहे हैं, उसका कोई सबूत अभी तक आम आदमी पार्टी ने सामने नहीं रखा.
हाँ, जो उन्होंने विधायकों की खरीद फरोख्त की बात कही है, इस तरह के मुद्दे भटकाने के लिए पहले भी बातें कर चुके हैं. और मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, इन्होंने हमारे बीजेपी के नेताओं के खिलाफ जब बहुत सारी गलत बातें कही थी, झूठी कही थी, उसके लिए अरविंद केजरीवाल स्वयं जाकर कोर्ट में माफ़ी मांगी है. तो झूठ बोलने की इनकी फितरत है. इन्होंने पहले नितिन गडकरी जी, फिर स्वर्गीय अरुण जेटली जी से लिखित में माफ़ी मांगी है. तो ये झूठ बोलने का इनका पुराना इतिहास रहा है. मुद्दे को भटकाने के लिए, जनता को भ्रम में लाने के लिए ये पहले भी करतूतें कर चुके हैं. लेकिन अब जनता ये जान चुकी है, जनता का विश्वास खत्म हो गया है केजरीवाल सरकार में, इसीलिए कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन ला रहे हैं.
सोल्यूशन क्या है? तो बार बार झूठ बोलते रहते हैं, आप बोल रहे हैं बार बार झूठ बोलते रहते हैं, सोल्यूशन क्या है इस चीज?
देखिए, सलूशन तो जनता देगी, मीडिया देगा. मैं आज आपसे कहना चाहता हूं, अगर आपके ऊपर कोई आरोप लगाए और उसका कोई सबूत नहीं हो, अगर उन्हें ये दिक्कत है तो वो सबूत देना. अगर उनको ये दिक्कत है तो वो सबूत दे कि किसने आपको ऑफर किया, किसने आपको अप्रोच किया. लेकिन मीडिया में ध्यान को भटकाने के लिए इस तरह की बातें करना, ये शराब के मुद्दे में भ्रष्टाचार किया उससे भागने के लिए. लेकिन हम भागने नहीं देंगे, जवाब देना पड़ेगा. जनता ने उन्हें चुना था, इसलिए जनता को उनको जवाब देना पड़ेगा.
Adish Gupta is now saying that they will have to answer to the people of Delhi as they were elected by the people here in Delhi itself, and they have the accountability and they hold the responsibility to answer all the allegations. Those are being leveled by BJP on them. Now we'll have to wait and watch how Aam Aadmi Party is going to respond to that. Remember that at 12:30 Aam Aadmi Party will be doing a counter protest against BJP at Delhi BJP headquarters. There are certain questions which Aam Aadmi Party needs to answer. One, do they have proof of Kharif Farokh? Do they have proof of horse trading? Do they have proof of the kind of allegations those are being leveled by BJP? Also, why did Aam Aadmi Party government took back the excise policy? So there are some certain questions which Aam Aadmi Party is not answering and BJP continues to ask. Samiksha.
Yes. Well, Piyush, thank you so much. We'll keep coming back to you as you track that another counter protest that will be staged by the Aam Aadmi Party at the Delhi BJP office. Thank you for the moment.